I were a superheroine. If I were a superheroine, I want to do extraordinary. I don't want to do what the people do. I want to do extraordinary. So all say that I want to do. I want this power. I want this power. I don't want any power, but I want just power which no one want. That power is I want the power. In that power, I can change the person's mind. Like if there are this is all says that this is a Kaliyug, and in this Kaliyug there are many cure people. All the people are cured. We cannot believe at anyone's. All anyone can change their mind at any time, at half night also. I don't believe in anyone. I don't believe on me also, because I can change my mind also at any time. I want to change behavior. There are there are no humanity. That is the one behavior that behavior. No any people have that behavior. I want that behavior. And all people say that if I have money, so I am a rich. It's not true. The people whose family are happy for them, whose family are the happy, enjoying, stay together, eat dinner with together, go anywhere, roaming together, and they have knowledge. Otherwise, they have nice behavior. They think that for me, no one should be sad. Like that, people are rich. No, the people think that rich have the money, so they are the rich. That's not true. I say that the quality that peoples are the rich, and many people says that I will do what I want to do, but they should think about others also. That's why I like the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, because they think first of their subject, then they think about them. I think that they never think about them. They always do nice thing for them, and I think that the people should be say Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj also not say honest. They not said honest, but because they are subject, and they are the honest from their mind, from their heart, and they are doing nice thing for their subject only. That's why I think that the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj are the brave man, and I want to become like that. And also, in the earlier time, when the foreigner attacks on Indian, and that time our some great Indians attack on them and tell them to go away from our country. That some people are called and now known as freedom fighters, great Indian freedom fighters. And then I said that about the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, that people fight for their subject. Like that time Muslim attack on Maratha, that time they fight with them, and they do many things for their subject. So they are known as brave men in this Kaliyug. And when I will change the people's behavior pattern, behavior people's mind, that time I will known as superhero. Thank you.